and welcome to Going for Kids by Kids. And today we're going to be looking at Python casting. But first, to go onto this website, search up w3schools.com, and then it will end up taking you to the page I'm on now. And after that, just scroll down and press the Learn Python part, or you can just search up Python here, and it'll bring you here. And I'm on Python casting right now, and it's specifying a variable type. There may be times when you want to specify a type onto a variable. This can be done with casting. Python is an object-oriented language, and such as it uses classes to define data types, including its primitive types. Casting in Python is therefore done with constructor functions. Int, which stands for integer, constructs an integer number from an integer literal, a float literal by removing all decimals, or a string literal provided that the string represents a whole number. A float constructs a float number from an integer literal, a float literal, or a string literal, providing the string represents a float or an integer. String constructs a string from a wide variety of data types, including strings, integer literals, and float literals. Like a string can be letters. A string can be letters, or it can also be new words. And a string is all this got changed to integers, so it then rounds down the decimal. Well, it just takes it away. That one's already an integer, then it takes away the string part to make them all integers. If I change this to a float, it would change what it comes out with. And it came out with 3.0. And now I'm going to just change it back to an integer. And there's also examples for floats and strings. So it gives all these decimals. And if it's a whole number, it just does 0.0 because it's the same thing. And for this, it's strings, and this is already a string because it has a letter. And it just puts it there because it just has it there because because it's just a string, it's going to have the same output. Whatever type it is it shows what it actually is like. So the type depends on the type. The outcome depends on the type, and that's all that's here. So that's all from now. Bye.